Welcome to Phillip Highlights. I'm Summer, and I'll be serving you the latest news of the week. Your news, our business. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said policymakers expect to deliver a couple more interest rate increases before putting their aggressive tightening campaign on hold, even as they slow their drive to curb inflation. The Fed's target was lifted for its benchmark rate by a quarter percentage point to a range of 4.5% to 4.75%. The smaller move followed a half-point increase in December and 4 jumbo-sized 75 basis point hikes prior to that. UK house prices fell for a fifth month in January, the longest string of decline since the financial crisis more than a decade ago, Nationwide Building Society said on 1st February. The mortgage lender said average home costs fell 0.6% this month and by a revised 0.3% in December, steeper than its previous estimate. The monthly decline was also more than economists had expected. China's regulators issued a draft proposal to ease rules for initial public offerings across all its trading venues in a bid to fill access to funding in the nation's $11 trillion equity market for millions of smaller companies. The proposal aims to roll out a registration-based listing mechanism to all domestic stock exchanges, state the China Securities Regulatory Commission. The change would mean an end to vetting of planned share sales by regulators. Bursa Malaysia is expecting average daily value of stock trading to improve slightly between 2.3 billion ringgit to 2.4 billion ringgit this year, up from 2.07 billion ringgit in 2022, supported by gradual improvements in trading activities. Its Chief Executive Officer, Datuk Muhammad Umar Swift, said that with recent improvements in the ringgit and listed companies' valuation, the stock exchange operator is expecting more foreign and domestic investment going forward. That's all for today. Stay tuned for the next Phillip Highlights. This update is brought to you by PhillipCapital, your partner in finance.